death in September '04. She calls 911 because she's 4 years old and her mommy just stopped speaking. She gave the cops home address, school, even the teacher's name before she hung up. They searched, never found a single one. Nothing to help.